Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing with you guys all the products that is worth every penny, is super affordable and performs and outperforms, high-end products. I have similar items from high-end brands and the affordable ones, they are, far better. Save your money on that and, buy the affordable ones because they outperforms the higher end ones. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. First, let's talk about lip liners since I have a lot of them. So the expensive one that I have in my collection is the ColourPop one as well as the Huda Beauty Lip Contour, and these are what they look like. I firstly got the ColourPop one for 670 or like 700 to 800 rupees. मैंने ये Instagram वाले store से मंगवाया था, so they do charge their own commission so that they are shipping from US. So I got this for like 800 rupees, and I have the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Pinky Brown, and again it's for like 900 rupees, the smaller size. Okay, this size, okay, this is the size that you get when you pay 900 rupees. I can't even say like how small this is. This was sent by the brand, and that's why I have it. I mean, yeah, the formulation is absolutely, buttery smooth, glides on, very seamlessly, बहुत ही easily blend हो जाता है. But I have similar items that work so nice, has the most amount of pigmentation, blends like a dream, and gives you the finest line lips. And this one I have from Mars, and they retail for just 69 rupees. Where is 900 and where is 69 rupees? Okay? So I have this very beautiful 3 to 4 shades in मैंने मंगवाया था इकट्ठे, ठीक है? And these are the Mars Edge of Desire lip liner. I have the shade 14, 13 and 12. मैंने 3 shades मंगवाया था एक ही साथ. So all of them have this very beautiful brownish nudish color, and that's the reason I went ahead and got it. And girls, this is what I'm wearing. मैंने line किया हुआ है, Mars के lip liner in the shade 14 से, and it just works so nice. I've been wearing this constantly and मैं sharpen करके इसे लगा रही हूँ because I love this so much. It's so buttery, it's so smooth, gives you the maximum amount of pigmentation and works so nice. So I don't understand why are you going to pay 900 rupees for this when you're going to go ahead and get this for just 600 rupees. Get this. कुबर कभी भागना जब मैं शूट कर रही हूँ. आए रे क्या चले आए चुपचाप बात करें. Now let me talk about a lip plumper. ठीक है, I had bought the Too Faced का lip plumping gloss for like 1300, 1500 or 17 or 2000 rupees. ठीक है, छोटा सा मैंने लिया था, छोटा सा पैक मैंने लिया था for like 13 or 1500 rupees, and mind you that was the smallest size for like 5 ml or 10 ml for like that much. ठीक है, 1500 rupees मैं guess कर रही हूँ कि 1500 तो लगा ही होगा because it's Too Faced. I found a very good dupe that actually hydrates, moisturizes, as well as gives you that very nourished, plumpy lips. And I have this one from Simply Nam Beauty, and this is the Sweet Kisses Hydrating Lip Balm. हल्का सा tingling effect देते हैं, हल्का सा plumping effect देते हैं, not very much. And Indian brands are coming out with way good formula. I won't say it gives you that drastic effect like the lip plumping gloss from Too Faced, but it gives you that very natural, juicy, hydrated lips. हल्का सा plump आपके lips को कर देता है. And unlike the lip plumping gloss Too Faced का, within like half an hour it just loses its effect, but you will get to see a prolonged effect of this. Okay, this is what my lips look like. I don't know ये मैं तो lip gloss lip stick के ऊपर लगा रही हूँ, but आपको हल्का सा tingling effect महसूस होगा, that tingling feeling. And yeah, like I said, you wouldn't see a drastic change आपके lips के size पे, but it does give you that tingling feeling. हल्का सा प्लम करता है आपके लिप्स को, एंड आपके लिप्स को बहुत ही जूसी, हाइड्रेटेड एंड नरिश कर देता है, व्हिच इज व्हाट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. इट्स नॉट लाइक ये आपके लिप्स को सिर्फ that tingling sensation दे रहा है, and हल्का सा it just plumps up your lip, but it actually works and repairs your lips while it plumps your lips all at the same time. For today's video, I will not talk about skincare. I can do that later in a complete different video. मैं बनाकर डाल सकती हूँ कि why high-end products ही अच्छे नहीं है. You can absolutely go ahead and choose affordable stuff that actually performs and outperforms the higher-end ones. But I want to talk about this two product that I have been using for the past 1.5 to almost 2 years now. So this is the glycolic acid from Minimalist. It is the glycolic acid 0.8% का glycolic acid का solution है. I have used the ordinary का glycolic acid that retails for 900 or 1200 rupees. It's a huge bottle, ठीक है? The bottle, the size is worth the price, but 1200 rupees for that solution. But you can go ahead and get this from Minimalist. It was around like 400 or even 300 something rupees में मुझे मिल गया था offer में. So this right here is for 499 rupees and you get 150 ml of product. I will say it is worth every penny. You just need the tiniest amount. Just go ahead and swipe it all over your face. If you have dark elbows, dark underarms, just go ahead and swipe it and it will give you the same result, the same effect. अगर आप एक अच्छा dupe चाह रहे हो and if you want something that actually shows you results, get this. This is something that actually shows you results, actually gives you results, and is a very, 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 close dupe of the glycolic acid solution from Ordinary. If you're someone who deals with dark underarms, you will know the struggle of, reducing those pigmentation. I have used a lot of solution, a lot of, treatments, a lot of underarm creams, underarm lotions, underarm roll-ons and all those in order to actually treat dark underarms. अगर मैं high-end products के बारे में बोलूँ, so I have spent the most amount of money on high-end hair care as well as underarm products, ठीक है? And I don't even want to recall the times कि इतने सारे पैसे मैंने गवाया है and it did not show me results. But this particular thing right here, the Be Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. This is not sponsored. Please, this is like an unsponsored, my honest, review, my honest recommendation that I think is so good, better than the high-end ones. So this right here, this is like my sort of food tube and I got the bigger size this time and it just outperformed the all the other items that I had used in order to reduce my underarm pigmentation. This alone has done most of the stuff. All you have to do is just go ahead and just roll it around your underarms and that's it. Subah, sham, daily use karo and you will see a very, very, very noticeable difference. It has AHA and BHA जो कि actually में reduce करता है pigmentation को. That in fact reduces your underarm pigmentation and my underarm is so much, even tone. I wouldn't say it has totally cleaned up, but you can see it is a lot more even tone and that's what I really wanted. A lot of times it does not just look good also because of hygiene reasons. So that's why I really wanted to go ahead and clean up my underarms. Not just whiten it, but clean it up and it has just helped a lot. Go ahead and try this if you are suffering from dark underarm, dark patches and you're going to thank me later. I just checked that my camera battery is at 2%, so I really have to end this. So the next and the last item that I will recommend you guys to go ahead and get the not the high-end ones but the cheaper ones is this right here. This is the Swiss Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil and this is what it looks like. I have the older one and then I have my wrist top right here. Guys, I have used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. I have used the Benefit brow pencil and trust me, they are expensive. एक eyebrow pencil इतना महंगा क्यों है भाई? I've used their eyebrow, their eyebrow tint, their eyebrow pencil, everything. But trust me, I have been repurchasing this for the last 2.5 to almost 3 years from now in a row and I love this so very much. It is worth every penny for 299 or 310. Get this, आपको इस तरीके का स्पूली मिल जाता है and यहाँ आपका पेंसिल मिल जाता है and it is worth every single penny of yours. Get this and you're gonna fall in love with it.